video, we will explore the uses of a glass funnel in laboratory experiments. A glass funnel is a versatile apparatus that is commonly used in chemistry labs. It is used for transferring liquids from one container to another with precision and ease. The wide opening of the funnel allows for efficient pouring and filtration. Glass funnels are often used in conjunction with filter paper to separate solids from liquids. The narrow stem of the funnel ensures controlled flow during the transfer process. They are also used for adding reagents to reaction mixtures or filling containers. The transparency of glass allows for easy monitoring of the liquid flow and level. Glass funnels are an essential tool in any laboratory setting, ensuring accurate and efficient processes. That concludes our exploration of the uses of a glass funnel in laboratory experiments.